How to remove camera from lock screen on Android. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to remove the camera shortcut from the lock screen on your Android device. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down and tap on Wallpaper and Style. Now tap on Lock Screen. You'll see a preview of your lock screen layout. At the bottom, you'll notice the shortcut icons. Tap on the camera icon on the bottom right. A list of available apps will appear, including options like camera, phone, and others. Select None to remove the camera shortcut. Once selected, tap Done or go back to save your changes. Now press the power button to lock your phone. Wake the screen again and check the bottom right corner. The camera icon should no longer be there. And that's it. You've successfully removed the camera shortcut from your lock screen. If you ever want it back, just follow the same steps and select Camera instead of None. If this helped you out, drop a like, subscribe for more Samsung tips and tricks, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. I'll see you in the next one.